subject. Modals never change according to the person or number of the subject. For example, you can say I can do, he can do, you can do, we can do, they can do, etc. Clear? Modals don't change according to the number or person of the subject. Number or person of the subject. Modals never change. Okay, clear? Next one. What it says? Modals don't have the infinitive form. Modals don't have the infinitive form. We cannot place to, infinitive to infinitive. We cannot place to with them in order to use them in a sentence. For example, we must to get there. We must to get there before time. We must to get there before time. Is it right or wrong? Another one, we must get there before time. Out of these two sentences, which one is correct? We must to get there before time. We must get there before time. Which one is correct? Think. Listen, what I told, the point is modals don't have the infinitive form. Modals don't have the infinitive form. Clear? We cannot place to. This is to. We cannot place to with them in order to use them in a sentence. So this one is wrong. The modal auxiliary takes verb, first form of the verb with them. Generally, keep it remember, the modals always take the first form of the verb with them. No other form of the verb is used with modals. Clear? Nature of modals. However, modals are usually used to express the different actions like ability, possibility, request, command, obligation, deduction, thereafter permission, suggestion, proposal, etc. Okay. In fact, modal auxiliaries are used to enhance or restrict the main verb to a certain context. The most common modal auxiliaries in English are what? I have already written it before. Shall, suppose shall, present, past, present modal, past modal. Shall is the present form, its past is should. will, would, can, could, may, might, must, used to, need, dare, ought to, it is. Okay na? These are the past modals: should, would, could, might, used to, shall, will, can, may, must, need, dare, ought to. These are the present modals. I will send you the details by WhatsApp, and you can note it, because it will help you a lot. No doubt, it is not so difficult. If there arises any problem, you can ask me either to my personally or by messaging me, anything, anyway, whatever you like. Wherever there arises any doubt, you need not worry. You ask me whenever you want, whenever. No time, this time to this time, from this time to this time, not necessary. But you try your best to understand it. You try your best. Okay? If doubt, you can ask me. See, notice the usage of modals. Notice the usage of modals in the following sentences. Notice the usage of modals in the following sentences. How the modals are used, how they express their meaning. Or suppose a modal is used in a sentence, which modal expresses what type of meanings? Let us discuss now. Okay? Suppose I write an example. I pay my taxes. I pay my taxes. I pay my taxes. Sorry. I pay my taxes. This one, no modal is used here. This one a plain sentence, only verb pay. The base verb is used here, or the full verb, the main verb is used here. No modal is used in this sentence. And what expresses this sentence? I pay my taxes. General declaration of fact. This refers general declaration of fact. Clear? That means paying taxes is something. Paying taxes is something I normally do. Clear? Suppose I write I can pay my taxes. Here can is used here. Can, modal. Can refers what? Ability. Can refers ability. That means can is used to express ability. That means what? I can pay my taxes. I can lift this box. That means what? I have the ability. I have the ability to lift this box. Or I have the ability to pay my taxes. This refers, it expresses the ability. That means I have the means, or I have the funds to pay. It refers ability. Clear? Next, I might pay my taxes. I might pay my taxes. Might is used here to express possibility. Remember it. Might is used here to express possibility. Sambhavana, sambhavyata, possibility. That means what? Might is used to express possibility, but not certainty. But not certainty. Maybe I will pay. Maybe I will pay. May not be. I won't pay. It is not certain. Might expresses the possibility, but not certainty. Okay? Maybe I will pay, or maybe I won't. The next one. I will pay my taxes. I will pay my taxes. Will is used here to express future intent. Will is used here to express future intent. Future intent. I resolve to do it. I resolve to do it at some later time. At some later time. Clear? I will pay my taxes. Another one. I should pay my taxes. I should pay my taxes. That means should is used here to express mild obligation. Remember it. Should is used here to express mild obligation. Mild obligation. It is required and I expect to comply. It is required and I express to comply. I expect to comply. It is required and I expect to comply. It refers to mild obligation. Should is used to express a mild obligation. Remember it. Another one is I could pay my taxes. I could pay my taxes. Here could is expressed. Could is used to express. Here could is used to express possibility. Could is used to express possibility. Think. Possibility. If I have nothing else to do with the money. If I have nothing else to do with the money, then I might pay. Okay? Or I could pay my taxes. Next, I would pay my taxes. I would pay my taxes. Here, would is used to express reservation. Would is used to express reservation. If I had the money, that means what? It expresses reservation. If I had the money, but I don't have. If I had the money, I would have paid taxes. That means I don't have money. I have no money. Leave it. And the next one is I must pay my taxes. I must pay my taxes. I must pay my taxes. Must is used to express strong obligation, not mild. Should is for mild obligation, but must expresses the strong obligation. Clear? Here must is used to express a strong obligation. I am required. I am here. I am required and have to comply. I am required and have to comply. I must pay my taxes. Clear? I have given a few examples, the same examples, just changing the modals. Just changing the modals. Why? Just to let you inform or just to let you know how each and every modal, when it changes, how it changes its meanings, how it changes it is situationally how it expresses the meanings. That's why I have given the same example, just changing the modals so that you can easily understand it. Right now, okay? Or any doubt? Listen, if okay, no problem. If you don't understand, watch the video 2 to 3 times, and I'm sure you must understand this one. It is not so difficult, but we should make it habituated to understand. If we read again and again, or if we listen again and again, automatically we will become habituated to it, and we can easily understand it. If not, if there arises any problem, any doubt in your mind, you can ask me personally, or you can ask me by messaging. Okay na? Very good. In the next class we will discuss the other